Hey guys, welcome to Garden Obsessions. Today we're doing the round bed. We're going to put our greens in there and get that going.
We have a hops that we are going back and forth on whether we should put it in the ground or put it in a pot, and we came to a final decision because of the move. We're just going to go ahead and put it in a pot.
Alright guys, so this is the hops that we plan on putting in here. We actually bought this last year, like I said, and it was actually as tall as the bamboo sticks here, but we cut it back. The intention was originally to put it in this round bed here when we had the swimming pool kind of kill the grass away and stuff like that, but we just never got around to put it in a container or actually put it in the ground. But we started to cut it back and we thought about getting rid of it, but it started coming back about a week and a half ago, and right now it's got some great growth going on in it. Now this is not an actual hops that I can use to make beer or anything like that. It's an ornamental type, and of course it's a Proven Winners brand. We just go around buying a bunch of Proven Winner stuff, but definitely a great ornamental, and it does produce some hops. Like I said, they won't be usable for beer making or anything like that, but that's what we're going to put in the ground here. And we also have a lot of greens that we're going to show you as well that we're going to put in the ground. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're using these bamboo sticks right here just to basically get a alignment on there. We were going this way with some of the red lettuce here, going this way with some of this green lettuce here, and then we got some other lettuce that we're going to
come and
do
show
the same
them
thing.
that lettuce. Okay, now come here. Dad's going to... Now you go put it on that side over there. Okay, so this one right here is royal oak leaf. Which one's that one?
Then we have some bib lettuce as well, with the red leaf.
Okay, that is bib?
Yep.
This one's called bib.
So this is a red bib leaf, and then this is a green bib leaf lettuce.
Okay. Spinach, guys. Okay, you got it? Good job. Okay.
Alright guys, and of course with everything that we plant we're going to use this Biotone Starter Plus to get the roots going in these guys. We've been using it for everything and so far it's been working. One thing I forgot to mention in some of the other videos is when I use the Biotone, I only use it for transplanting. Once they're established, about a week into it, I'll start adding some garden tone. Espoma makes all kinds of tones for different types of plants. We have the holly tone, we have tree tone, we have citrus tone. Again, there's garden tone, there's tomato tone, and I'll get into a video about all that later and explain the differences in all those fertilizers that we use here in the garden. Alright guys, so we've had these for quite some time now, and we just haven't had a chance to get these in the ground. So as you can see, a lot of these roots are kind of they were already trying to winding into the little containers there, but I think they're going to do fine. A lot of them are still looking pretty healthy, so we're going to get these in the ground, like I said, and continue doing this real quick. Alright guys, so like I said, we've had these for a couple of weeks. We actually had 2 duds, one from a lettuce and one from a spinach. We'll just replace those with maybe some seeds. I got a bunch of seeds, or we can just go buy some more plugs. But I think it was all going to come out looking good once they start growing out.
Okay, so we went ahead and finished, and we waited. I hope y'all can see it right now. We didn't, it was too hot today, so we, actually, I can't believe we're saying that. It was too hot already today. And we didn't want to stress them more than what they are already. But it was very therapeutic for some reason planting lettuce. This has been actually my first time planting lettuce. I'm not for Ambrose.
I've actually planted some lettuce, and we have some lettuce that we sowed in one of the last videos, and I'll show you that real quick. What we actually ended up with. It's not good, but I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway. But the round bed's done. It doesn't look like much, but once it starts filling in, I think it's gonna look lovely. It's gonna look great, in addition to our elevated beds over here, which we already showed you guys. But it's gonna be a nice addition. And
missing a couple, but
yep, missing a couple. Like I said, we had some duds, but we'll get those going. And we're gonna continue. I guess this series is we're calling it a kitchen garden series, because we're gonna do this in a couple different parts. We have some different stuff going on. We plan to add some more stuff in this part of the garden, and actually
probably do. I really wanted to do kale in the beds, but I kind of forgot about the kale, so we're gonna go ahead and put them in pots instead. I think it would be a lot better to put them in the pots for us.
Let me go ahead and show you guys some of the lettuce real quick that I was talking. Alright guys, so as promised, we've been pretty blessed, and we've had a couple of people send us some seeds and stuff. Ryan from Glitter in the Garden actually sent us some lettuce seeds as well, and we got those planted in here. Unfortunately, those 4 right there are the only ones that made it. Those right there are actually plugs that grew up quite nicely, and these are pretty much along the way as well. So if you remember one of the videos where I sowed some of the lettuce and I had the cold frame on top here, it just got really cold one night, and it got too cold for it. Have you ever seen a soil catacomb, like an ant pile? That's pretty much what we had. The soil just completely catacomb, uprooted everything that was in there, and just nearly killed everything off. I'm suspecting that these 4 right here were some seeds, extra seeds actually, that were still in there and were viable to germinate. But that's what we ended up with. That lettuce right there, it's great. Those are plugs again. Like I said, it wasn't something we grew, wasn't something we seeded, but it's doing quite nicely, and we're gonna go ahead and use those for some salads very quickly. And then the stuff we just planted over there in the round bed, we're gonna see and get those growing up as well, so we can start enjoying that stuff as well. Alright guys, so we got our lettuce in. It's been fun doing this. We're absolutely enjoying getting this kitchen garden going, and it's an absolute blast out here.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. We still have the front to show. We haven't been able to plant the front bed because it's been raining, and the front bed is really wet right now still. Yep. We don't want to go there with that. But we have a lot to show you guys. And what else? I mean
that's pretty much it, guys.
There's a lot to show.
Like I said, like we said before, you know, we're trying to incorporate all this stuff that we usually do, the flowers and stuff like that, into the kitchen garden, and with the vegetables and herbs. So basically, I mean, we're trying to keep in line with that. Grow some beauty in your garden. That's all we can say. It's beauty with a purpose. It's what we're all about right now, is what we're trying to incorporate in all this stuff. But once again, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed what we did here today. If you haven't given this video a like, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd definitely appreciate it.
And bye, guys.
See you later.